Hello everyone! We are on our way to our activities for the day. But first we had to make a coffee stop. Of course, when in Kona, you get Kona coffee with macadamia nut milk. This is actually our third attempt on getting breakfast. The first one was closed due to an emergency. The second one was super busy. So this cafe that we went to was the one right next to our second choice. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat our breakfast on the go because we still have a long drive. So this is a really quick, and I mean quick, visit for this natural wonder. Literally,
say that again.
The parking lot is over there. There's a sort of a one-way trail. This is a really good view of the falls, but you can also walk like a couple of paces, and it is the official lookout, which is up there. That's the official lookout, and then you go around, you come out this way. So just a couple of paces really, and it's really beautiful. We are now at Big Island Candies. Once you walk in here, so good, pure chocolate smell. And so I had to get myself some goodies for back home, for my household, and for friends. And what I love about it is that they have a huge viewing area of how their cookies are made. So now we are here at downtown Hilo, just briefly checking it around. We're also trying to look for a place to have lunch. Alright, lunch is served, and when in Hawaii, lokomoko. And for dessert, some mochi. Look at the line. Alright, we are now at Akaka Falls, and there is an entrance fee and a parking fee. I was told by the girls that as of 3 years ago, this park was free. Everybody's trying to make up for the lost COVID year. It is about 2:30 in the afternoon and it is very, very hot. We're kind of wishing for some rain right now. This falls, or the trail, has many, many, many stairs.
Getting there.
In the middle of the jungle, or what looks like they cut through the middle of the jungle. But in comparison to Rainbow Falls, the falls itself, I like Rainbow over this one, but I do like this trail better despite the many, many stairs. For this hike, you can take two trails. You can either take the left, which will lead you straight to Akaka Falls, or to the right to see the Akuna Falls, and then you will have to walk the entire loop to see both falls. The last activity for the day, the Uma Uma experience. Go?
Cannonball, yeah?
Okay. Oh god, I'm scared. Woo. What happened there? What happened? Whoa! My partner! Back! Alright, done with ziplining. That last line was the best line, and I tried to get the best video. But 4 lines was kind of short, but that last one was definitely the highlight, and it was well worth it. And now it is raining, but we are done for the day. We're going to head back on the Kona side. Alright, so now we are having dinner after waiting for 1 hour here at the Kona Brewing Company. So I am having some pizza, pesto pizza, and some cider. or seltzer. Looks like their specialty here are pizzas. And there are a lot of cats roaming this restaurant. I love the fact that the restaurant is an open area outdoors. Today was so much fun, so much fun. I didn't realize we had a theme, a waterfall theme today, but that ziplining experience, even though it was short, completely loved it. Completely loved it. Home now. Got to rest a bit and showered. My battery ran out as I was talking at the restaurant and trying to close this vlog.
This right here is so good.
What is it?
Not sure, but if you've ever had cracked pie from Vegas,
But what is
it's
this supposed to
similar
be?
it. This is it tastes like a pie mochi yum goodness.
The mochi that we bought
So good.
earlier this afternoon. If you will notice, Melanie has not been on this vlog all day. It's because she skipped out on today's activities.
Exploring the Sheraton.
Exploring the hotel.
I know all the nooks and crannies of it all. Goats, cliffs, manta rays, everything.
She said cliffs and manta rays. We did encounter a lot of goats in the highway. Just walking on the side of or on the shoulder of the road. And so I am going to try this mochi. It is fresh strawberries with red bean. Wow. Wow. Did you try this one, Mel?
It's good.
Mom. That is good. I have never ever had mochi. I mean, mochi is pretty accessible in the Bay Area. But I've never had this combo. Where it's mochi. It's normally mochi in whatever paste or filling, but never fresh fruit inside. This is yummo. If you are ever here in the Big Island, on the Hilo side, you must go to that shop. Wow, this is good. So good. Next. These are mini bites, mini mochis. This is lilikoi. Very subtle. I'm normally not a fan of mochi because I find the texture strange. Like, it's almost like gum. But this so far is my favorite. You forget that it's covered by mochi. This one is regular mochi covered in powdered walnuts and with whole walnuts. This one's good. I like this one too. I like it. I like this one too. It doesn't, it's not your, whoops, regular mochi. I'm just making a mess at this point. And then after lunch, we sort of ran into a farmer's market. Yeah, we ran into farmer's market and my friends bought some fresh fruits, and this is lychee. And I love lychee anyway, so I'm gonna just snack on some before I go to sleep or before I even brush my teeth. I haven't brushed my teeth yet. So tomorrow is another day and our next activities. But actually tomorrow is going to be a chill day, like beach day. I've actually already featured lychee in some of my baking vlogs. It's one of my favorite ingredients for baking. I love it. All right, I think this is a good place and time to end this video. So if you haven't already, please click that link or subscribe button below. Check out my Instagram page or my Facebook page for real-time videos and photos. And stay tuned for more Hawaii vlogs. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.